You right?
Yeah, you're good to go, Roland.
Fine, all right. So our objectives today are to improve your chronic intubation withdrawal technique, and I've added in there conscious competence. We haven't really talked about conscious competence, but listening to your objectives at the beginning, a lot of those are about conscious competence, and we think this is very important. Now, what we're trying to achieve during intubation is to get to the secum quickly, as often as we can, as safely as we can. And because most of the world is using conscious sedation as painlessly as possible, but there are some other factors to consider, including expense. So I think having an anaesthetist in the room is obviously more expensive. You have to think about recovery times, and very importantly, the reputation of colonoscopy. And in some countries, colonoscopy has a bad reputation, and that drives the people having colonoscopy to demand very deep sedation in the form